Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to teach you a triumph of surgery from the book Footprints Without Feet. It's a storybook. Now, first of all, I am going to tell you about the important characters. First important character is Mrs. Pumphrey. Mrs. Pumphrey is the most important character of the story, A Triumph of Surgery. She is a rich lady. She has a pet dog named Tricky, which is the second character. Tricky. Double K. Tricky is the second character, which is a dog. And now third, the author himself. Here in the story, the author himself is in the name of Mr. Harriot. Thus, we see that A Triumph of Surgery has three main characters, Mrs. Pumphrey, Tricky, and Mr. Harriot. Here, triumph means victory. Surgery means चिकित्सा. चिकित्सा का विजय composed by James Harriot. Actually, you know that James Harriot was born on 3rd October 1916 in Sunderland in England. His full name was James Alfred White, and he died on 23rd February in 1995 at the age of 72. Actually, you know that James Harriot was a veterinary. So, he gained a lot of experience about animals because he used to spend his enormous time among animals and their owners who made them pet. And so, in this story, he has composed about a dog along with his owner. Thus, now I am going to start the story. Tricky, a small dog, is pampered by his rich mistress. ट्रिकी नाम के एक छोटे कुत्ते को उसकी धनवान मालकिन के द्वारा बहुत लाड़ प्यार किया जाता है. She overfeeds him and he falls seriously ill. वह उसे बहुत ज़्यादा खिलाती है जिसके कारण वह बीमार पड़ जाता है. Does the veterinary surgeon perform an operation? Does the dog recover? क्या एक वेटनरी सर्जन उसको ऑपरेशन करके ठीक करता है या विदाउट ऑपरेशन ट्रिकी बिकेम क्योर? नाउ लेट्स गो अहेड. I was really worried about Tricky this time. Author says that he was quite worried for Tricky, which is a dog. I had pulled up my car when I saw him in the street with his mistress, and I was shocked at his appearance. पोएट ने कहा ऑथर ने कहा जब मैंने उसको देखा गली में अपने मालकिन के साथ घूमते हुए तो मैंने अपनी गाड़ी रोका और उसको देखकर उसकी आकृति को देखकर मैं चकित रह गया. He had become hugely fat like a bloated sausage with a leg at each corner. वह बहुत ज़्यादा मोटा हो गया था जैसे कोई फूला मांस का टुकड़ा हो जिसके चारों कोनों में एक टांग लगा दी गई हो. His eyes, bloodshot and rheumy, stared straight ahead and his tongue lolled from his jaw. उसकी आंखें रक्त की तरह लाल तथा कीचड़युक्त थी। उसने सीधे आगे देखा तथा उसकी जीभ जबड़ों से बाहर निकलती हुई दिख रही थी। मिसेस पम्फरी has time to explain. I mean, just a moment later, as the author asked her, she tried to explain to the veterinary. In short, we can call veterinary as a vet. He was listless. वो बोलती है, देखिए डॉक्टर साहब, वह बहुत ज़्यादा कमज़ोर हो गया था। Listless means weak. Mr. Harriet, he seemed to have no energy. ऐसा लगता है मिस्टर हैरियट कि इसके पास कोई ताकत नहीं है। I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition. मिसेस पम्फरी ने कहा कि मुझे लग रहा है कि हमारा कुत्ता ट्रिकी जो है वह कुपोषित हो चुका है, कुपोषण का शिकार हो गया है। So I have been giving him some little extras between meals to build him up, some malt and cod liver oil and a bowl of Horlicks at night to make him sleep. Nothing much really. उसने कहा, मैं इसे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं देती हूँ, सिर्फ रात में अच्छे ढंग से सोने के लिए उसे एक बाउल हॉर्लिक्स देती हूँ, थोड़ा सा माल्ट देती हूँ और कॉड लिवर देती हूँ ताकि इसका बॉडी अच्छा बना रहे, स्वस्थ रहने के लिए मैं देती हूँ, बस इतने देती हूँ। जस्ट यू कैन थिंक दैट हाउ मच मिसेस पम्फरी फीड्स हर डॉग. It is wrong habit for any person to overfeed anybody else. We must not overfeed ourselves because too much thickness called obesity, and obesity causes a number of diseases. And in the same way, Tricky has fallen sick this time because of overfeeding. And did you cut down on the sweet things as I told you? On this, Mr. Harriet asked her that, और क्या मैंने जो कहा था आपको मिठाइयाँ इसको कम खिलाने के लिए, क्या आपने इसमें कमी की? अब now Mrs. Pamphari answered, oh, I did for a bit, but he seemed to be so weak. बोली हाँ, मैं थोड़ा बहुत तो की थी, लेकिन यह बहुत कमज़ोर दिखने लगा था। I had to relent. मुझे इसे फ्रीडम देना पड़ा। He does love cream, cakes and chocolates so. And my Tricky loves chocolates and cream cakes. That is why I have to be relent for my Tricky. I can't get to refuse him. Because it was sickness of Mrs. Pamphari. Because she loves Tricky too much. That is why she can't refuse Tricky's desire. And Tricky was also a greedy dog, and that's why due to his greed he was unable to quench himself, keep himself aloof from sweet things and overfeedings. It was Tricky's sickness also. I looked down again at the little dog. That was the trouble. Tricky's only fault was greed. मैं एक बार फिर से उस नन्हे से डॉग ट्रिकी को देखा और यही तो उसका एकमात्र समस्या था, और जो भी ट्रिकी के साथ समस्या थी उसका एक ही वजह था, वह था उसका खुद का लालच। He had never been known to refuse food. उसे पता ही नहीं था भोजन के रिफ्यूज करने की बात। It means that he was fond of good things, good eatings. That is why Tricky was unable to refuse any kind of food. It means that whatever you serve Tricky, Tricky eat easily. I mean, Tricky doesn't know what is the time of meal, what is the time of supper, what is the time of dinner. Whenever he was served by his owner, he started eating, he started feeding. He would tackle a meal at any hour of the day or night, and I wondered about all the things Mrs. Pamphari hadn't mentioned. Are you giving him plenty of exercise? Well, he has his little walks with me, as you can see. But Hawking, the gardener, has been down with lumbago, so there has been no ring throwing lately. इस पर उन्होंने पूछा, क्या आप इसको एक्सरसाइज करवाती हैं? इस पर मिसेस पम्फरी ने जवाब दिया, हाँ, इसको थोड़ा बहुत मॉर्निंग वॉक मेरे साथ ही होता है, जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं। आजकल जो उसका गार्डनर है, उसका नाम है हॉडकिन गार्डनर है मिसेस पम्फरी का। वह आजकल बीमार चल रहा है क्योंकि उसको गठिया पेन हो रहा है, एंड दैट इज वाई वो बतलाई कि आजकल यह रिंग थ्रोइंग गेम नहीं खेलता है। रिंग थ्रोइंग गेम इज ए काइंड ऑफ गेम इन व्हिच अ पर्सन थ्रोज ring at a far distance and someone goes running to catch that ring. In this way, this game is continued. I try to sound severe. Now I really mean this. मैं कठोरता पूर्वक उनसे पूछने की चेष्टा किया। अब मेरी सुनिए। If you don't cut his food right down and give him more exercise, he is going to be really ill. अगर अब आप इसका भोजन कम नहीं कीजिएगा और इसको ज़्यादा एक्सरसाइज नहीं करवाइएगा तो वास्तव में यह काफ़ी अधिक बीमार पड़ जाएगा। You must harden your heart and keep him on a very strict diet. आप अवश्य ही अपने दिल को सख्त बनाइए और इसे बिल्कुल थोड़ा थोड़ा करके खिलाइए। मिसेस पम्फरी wrung her hands. ऐसा सुनकर मिसेस पम्फरी अपने हाथ को मलने लगी। At the first time I told you that Tricky was sickness of Mrs. Pumphrey, and Mrs. Pumphrey was a rich lady. That is why she was unable to cut down Tricky's meal at any cost. Any cost. She can't do that. वो ऐसा नहीं कर सकती है। वह ट्रिकी को बगैर खिलाए हुए नहीं रह सकती है। यही तो मिसेस पम्फरी का वीकनेस है। ओह आई विल मिस्टर हैरियट, आई एम श्योर यू आर राइट, बट इट इज सो डिफिकल्ट, सो वेरी डिफिकल्ट। बोली, हे मिस्टर हैरियट, मैं ऐसा करूंगी, लेकिन ऐसा करना बहुत मुश्किल है। इट मीन्स दैट शी feels that she couldn't do that. I mean, she couldn't cut down Tricky's food. She set off, head down along the road as if determined to put the new design into practice immediately. वह सिर नीचा कर सड़क पर आगे बढ़ गई, मानो उसने तुरंत व्यायाम का सीमित खुराक देने का निश्चय कर लिया। I watched their progress with growing concern. मैं बढ़ती चिंता के साथ उनको जाते हुए देखा। Tricky was tottering along in his little tweed coat. और अपने नन्हे से कोट में ट्रिकी दुलकी चाल में चल रहा था। इस तरह से चल रहा था जैसे मानो कि कोई बड़ा मांस का टुकड़ा हो और उसमें 4 पैर लगा हो और रखते। I mean, Tricky was unable to walk. Tricky was unable to walk. He had a whole wardrobe of these coats for the cold weather and a raincoat for the wet days. He struggled on, dropping in his harness. I thought it wouldn't be long before I heard from Mrs. Pumphrey. The expected call came within a few days. Mrs. Pumphrey was distraught. As the vet thought, now vet has been called by Mrs. Pumphrey because Tricky has been seriously quite ill. Mrs. Pumphrey was distraught. वह काफी अधिक परेशान थी, घबराई हुई थी। Tricky would eat nothing, refuse even his favorite dishes, and besides, he had bouts of vomiting. उसने अपना पसंदीदा खाना भी नहीं खाया था और इसके अतिरिक्त उसने उल्टी भी किया था। He spent all his time lying on a rug, panting. और हाँफते हुए वह एक फटे हुए बेड पर सोया हुआ था। Didn't want to go for walks, didn't want to anything. I had made my plans in advance. The only way was to get Tricky out of the house for a period. I suggested that he be hospitalized for about a fortnight to be kept under observation. The poor lady almost swooned. वह बेचारी बिल्कुल ही बेहोशी के हालात में पहुंच गई थी, अचेत सी हो गई थी. She was sure he would pine and die if he did not see her every day. वह सोचती थी यदि हर दिन ट्रिकी उसको नहीं देखेगा तो वह तड़पने लगेगा, मर जाएगा. I mean, love was made between both. Tricky also loved his mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey, and Mrs. Pumphrey also loved Tricky. I mean, both were unable to live without each other. That is why it was Tricky's sickness, and on other hand, it was Mrs. Pumphrey's sickness too. But I took a firm line. लेकिन इसके बाद वो बेट एक कठोर निर्णय लिया. The Tricky was very ill and this was the only way to save him. बेट ने देखा ट्रिकी बहुत ज़्यादा बीमार पड़ गया था और उन्होंने सोचा कि अभी यही समय है जब उन्हें एक कठोर निर्णय लेना पड़ेगा, एक सख्त निर्णय लेना पड़ेगा. In fact, I thought it best to take him without delay, and followed by Mrs. Pumphrey's wailings, I marched out to the car carrying the little dog wrapped in a blanket. वास्तव में मैंने सोचा कि उसे अविलंब ले जाना चाहिए और मिसेस पंफ्रे के विलाप के बावजूद मैंने छोटे से कुत्ते को कंबल में लपेट कर कार की ओर ले गया. The entire staff was roused and maids rushed in and out bringing his day bed. पूरा का पूरा स्टाफ बिजी हो गया, सारे लोग अपने काम में व्यस्त हो गए. दिन रात जो भी खाना खाने का समय था, जो उसको कपड़ा पहना था, I mean everything they started doing. I mean all the staffs started gathering Tricky's facilities into the car. His night bed, fabric cushions, toys and rubber rings, breakfast bowl, lunch bowl, super bowl. Realizing that my car would never hold all the stuff, I started to drive away. As I moved off, Mrs. Pumphrey, with a despairing cry, threw an armful of the little coats through the window. I looked in the mirror before I turned the corner of the drive. Everybody was in tears. Out on the road, I glanced down at the pathetic lying animal gasping on the seat by my side. I patted the head and Tricky made a brave effort to wag his tail. जैसे ही मैं अपने अब ऑथर कहता है सारे स्टाफ ने सारा सामान लाकर मेरी गाड़ी में रख दिया. मैं ट्रिकी को अपने गाड़ी में लिया चल दिया. क्या क्या सामान रखा था उसने बताया. फैब्रिक कुशंस रखा, टॉयज रख दिया, रबर रिंग्स, ब्रेकफास्ट बॉल्स, लंच बॉल, सपर बॉल्स, ये सब इसके गाड़ी में रख दिया. जब ऑथर मिस्टर हैरियट उस ट्रिकी को अपनी गाड़ी में लेकर चले और जब सड़क पे चढ़ रहे थे वहाँ एक टर्न था, कॉर्नर था. जब कॉर्नर पे मुड़ रहे थे तो गाड़ी के साइड मिरर्स उन्होंने देखा कि सारे लोग रो रहे थे. ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन वाज शेडिंग टीयर्स बिकॉज ऑफ दिस सेपरेशन फ्रॉम ट्रिकी. जब मेन रोड पे ऑथर अपनी गाड़ी चलाने लगे तो अपने बगल में बैठे ट्रिकी के बॉडी पे अपना हाथ सहलाना शुरू किए. उन्होंने महसूस किया जब उन्होंने उसके बॉडी पे हाथ चलाया तो ट्रिकी अपने पूंछ को हिलाने की चेष्टा किया. इट मीन्स ट्रिकी में करेज है ट्रबल को फेस करने की. Mrs. Pumphrey, with a despairing cry, threw an armful of the little coats through the window. I looked in the mirror before I turned the corner of the drive. Everybody was in tears. Out on the road, I glanced down at the pathetic lying animal gasping on the seat by my side. I patted the head, and Tricky made a brave effort to wag his tail. Poor old lad, I said, you haven't a kick in you, but I think I know a cure for you. At the surgery, the household dogs surged round me. जब सर्जरी पे पहुंचा तो सारे कुत्ते उनके चारों ओर से घेर लिया. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack with dull eyes and when put down lay motionless on the carpet. The other dogs, after sniffing around him for a few seconds, decided he was an uninteresting object and ignored him. जब ट्रिकी को वहाँ नॉइजी कुत्तों के बीच में रखा गया तो वह बिल्कुल मोशनलेस एक कारपेट पे पड़ा हुआ था. अदर डॉग्स भी उसमें इंटरेस्ट लेना छोड़ दिया. उन्हें लगा कि कोई एक अनइंटरेस्टिंग ऑब्जेक्ट है. I made up a bed for him in a warm loose box next to the one where the other dogs slept. For 2 days I kept an eye on him, giving him no food but plenty of water. मैं उसे 2-3 दिनों I made up a bed for him in a warm loose box. मैंने उसका एक गर्म लूज बॉक्स में उसका बेड किया. Next to one where the other dog slept. For 2 days I kept an eye on him, giving him no food but plenty of water. मैंने उसको खाना नहीं दिया बल्कि अधिक से अधिक वाटर पिलाया, पानी जल पिलाया. At the end of the second day, he started to show some interest in his surroundings, and on the third, he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard. और ऐसा करके मैं देखा कि वह ट्रिकी अचानक, all of a sudden, Tricky started showing his interest in his surroundings. It means that Tricky started getting cured only with water, without any medicine and without overfeeding. Now I am going to stop my tongue because of lack of time, and now in the second class I will teach you ahead. The rest part of the story. That's all. Thank you.